Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a bicycle lock. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is one example of a bike lock. There are many different kinds, but they all work in a very similar manner. So first and foremost, I'll show you how to open and close it, and then I'll show you what would be a good way, or an ideal way, I should say, to actually lock up your bike. So essentially, you're gonna have the bike lock, and you're gonna have probably two keys that came with it. When you want to unlock it, you just simply insert the key in the keyhole over there, and you're gonna twist it, okay? And once it's twisted, you can then pull it out just like that, okay? So then when you wanna lock it, you're obviously gonna wrap this around your bike, and it's sort of like a very, very durable cord-like type of material. And you're gonna, when you're done wrapping it around, you're gonna push it in like that, and it will be locked in place. So to unlock it, insert the key, twist it, pull it out, and then to lock it, simply push it in place just like that, and you're good to go. Now, with regards to actually locking up the bike, I'm going to show you exactly what would be a good way to do this. I'm going to grab my camera just like this. Okay, so here I have a bike in my garage, and essentially the best way to do it would be to wrap it around both the frame of your bike and the front wheel, and then wrap it around something else that's securely in place. Obviously, this ladder can be lifted out of place easily, but I'm just using this for an example. The reason you don't want to only wrap it around your frame of your bike is because someone can usually easily detach the front wheel. It's really, really easy to detach the front wheel, much harder to detach the back wheel. So you don't really have to worry about the back wheel in most cases, but your front wheel, you should wrap the cord around your front wheel and the frame of your bike, and then also wrap it around something that is securely in place. So in an ideal situation, what you would do is you would take the actual bike lock, okay? You would just sort of thread it through the spokes of your front wheel. And please excuse me, I'm doing this with one hand, so just bear with me over here, okay? You'd thread it through the front wheel, and you'd also thread it through the frame of your bike over here, okay? So just give me one moment, let me pull this through. You'd thread it through the frame of your bike, and then you would wrap it around whatever's securely in place. So it might be a bike post, right? I'm just gonna wrap it around the ladder just to make it nice and easy. But so, like I said, you would wrap it around, you know, something that would be securely in place, something that's not gonna be able to be removed. So just give me a moment as I just wrap this around the ladder over here. Just please bear with me. I'm just trying to do this with one hand. I didn't have my tripod available. I wanted to use my tripod, but I didn't have it available. So what I would do now is I would take the two ends over here, and I would essentially connect them together. So I could take this end over here, let's say. I could just sort of thread it through here, let's imagine, and then I would connect the two. So let's see if I can do this. With one hand, we're gonna try. There you go. So right now, my front wheel and the frame of my bike are both locked to the ladder. But obviously in an ideal situation, you would be locking it to like a post that is like sort of cemented in the ground. But that's essentially it. That is essentially how to use a bike lock. It's really, really easy to use, and I just wanted to show you how to do it in this video. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.